Love it. It's my favorite feature of the Pro Bar. Its tendency to go flying across the room. There's our full set. Fucking serrated pins. Like I said, a lot harder to open than that master. Spring tension yet, so it didn't drop, which is nice. Okay, we're getting counter rotation on that. Little rotation. One more rotation. Let's come back and check these guys. There it is. Finally. Okay. Well, this is actually one of the very first locks I ever picked, or bought to pick for the purpose of picking. And it took me a long time to get it. It's one of the first secure, high security type pinnings I ever worked with. Apparently haven't gotten a whole lot better. But let's see what we got in here. What I wanted to show you really was the core in this. So this lock is like about $15 US. just bought it at a hardware store in California, readily available. You can get it on Amazon. It's about the same rough form factor as the Master 930 we were looking at yesterday. It's actually, I think we found that the steel itself was a little bit tougher, the steel case. And here's the cylinder. Looks very similar, doesn't it? So let's get this out of the way. And of course it has an evil circlip on it, as they all seem to do. Let's see if we can get it off. I don't know where my circlip pliers went. Disappear. We'll just dump it. Alright, so there's all the top pins. We'll take a look at those in a minute. Here's our key pins. So we've got a serrated, and 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 it is a 6-pin core, and guess what? They actually put all 6 pins in it. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? And then our top pins, we've got a serrated spool, a serrated spool, a serrated spool, another serrated spool, another serrated spool, and a regular serrated. So if this bears resemblance to an American lock, it should, or at least what American used to be before they were taken over by a certain other company, which starts with an M and rhymes with caster lock. There's the pins, and that claims to be focused, but I don't believe it. There we go. I think that's more focused. So, pretty nice pinning there. As you could see, it was a bit of a challenge. Lots of springs coming out. I wanted to check the tolerances on this, and of course my camera. So the core, or the plug is, let's see, back out, move back. Okay, the core is 10.34 millimeters roughly, fairly concentric. 0.32, something like that. And the shell is, come on, the same area, 10.3638, something like that. So we're around about only a couple tenths of a millimeter or a few thousandths of an inch difference. It wasn't very precise, but I'm going to call that a lot less sloppy than the other one. If you put this in here and wiggle it around, there's almost no play. So what do we have? We have better tolerances. We have good construction. We have, you know, very nice security pins. A better body, at least in a probably equivalent shackle, and it costs less money. Oh, and look at that. Look what they did. Look what Brinks did. If I could get the camera to focus on it for you. Fuck. Where's my flush? Ah, yeah. Here we go. Do you see that silver thing? Does that remind you of anything? That is an anti-bypass device, and it is built into the lock, and it looks like it's made of fairly thick metal. So you're not going to be able to bypass this with one of those Peterson tools. So they did not build the American lock vulnerability into their lock. So yeah, 15 bucks on Amazon. It's a model 5, god damn, if I could focus, 527 Brinks. And yeah, so you could have this, Bills? Yeah, you could have one of these for $18 or $20, or you could have one of these for $14 or $15. And this is hard to pick and stronger. And these guys, despite having a pretty nicely constructed lock, are weaker in every way. That's unfortunate. Anyhow, this is Alex. Thanks for watching. Have fun. As always, please keep it legal. Cheers.